Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and going on great with your English learning practice. Here I am with a lesson on idioms where I'll be telling you 5 new idioms around a common subject, that is cat. The first idiom that I have for you today is bell the cat. It means take on a difficult task or to do an impossible task. So I'll just try to make it clear by giving you an example. We need to work on a new plan to bell the cat. So it's basically something that is very difficult, and that's why it is called bell the cat, something very difficult. There's one more other expression if you want to express it in another way. So you can say a Herculean task, something very difficult. So you can also remember this particular one, Herculean task. So now moving on to the next one, let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal or to disclose any secret, but by mistake. It's not intentionally done, it's always by mistake. So I'll try to give an example here. Misha let the cat out of the bag by telling everyone about the surprise party. Now moving on to the next one. Curiosity killed the cat. I hope you can make out like too much interference in other people's matter is not good. So this particular idiom is a caution that one should not interfere too much in others' matter because it can only create trouble. I'll give you an example. Hey, I wonder what's down that street. It looks scary. So in response to it, in answer, you can say, let's not try to find out. Curiosity killed the cat. So you're trying to give a caution that let's not go deeper, because sometimes it's very dangerous. It can lead us into trouble by interfering unnecessarily too much. So that's what this idiom is trying to convey. And this brings me to the fourth idiom, a cat nap. It's very common and we keep using it in our day-to-day life. It is used for short sleep. Like we can simply say she takes a cat nap after lunch, and we also sometimes go for it. So it's generally for a very short duration, and so that's all what it means, a cat nap. It's a very short sleep. And the last is a cat fight. You must have heard it in Bollywood especially, like it means the fight between women, especially between women. And I would like to give you an example here. Can Elena and Mira stop their cat fight? Basically this sentence says that can they stop their cat fight? I hope the meaning is clear to you. This brings me to the end of this lesson, where I try to cover 5 new idioms around a common subject, that was cat. And this technique, I personally believe that it really works well when we have a common subject and around which we try to weave some related idioms, because it becomes very easy to absorb these sentences and idioms related to that. So it's a very effortless method which I have tried to come up with. I hope it was very enjoyable and useful for you, and you can write me in the comment section below that how did you find it. With this, I would like to say you a goodbye, and please stay safe, keep practicing. Thank